Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Measure app and granting camera and motion permission. This lets the tool track distance accurately. Point your iPhone at a flat, well-lit surface and hold steady. When the white dot appears, tap once to place the start point. This anchors the measurement. You'll see a small circle confirm placement. If it jitters, pause and steady your wrist. Once done, slowly move the phone along the object's edge to prepare for the next step. You now move the phone along the object while watching the live measurement readout. This is how the app calculates length using AR. When the endpoint aligns, tap to lock it. For multiple segments, press Add to chain measurements. Make sure to pinch to zoom for finer control when corners or small edges matter. If you need a straight horizontal or vertical line, align the phone so the on-screen guide snaps. This improves accuracy and reduces the need for later correction. Finish by tapping Capture to save a photo that includes the measurement overlay, so you have a record. You can refine results by dragging the yellow handles to precise points or using Undo to remove the last segment. This helps with minor alignment errors. If measurements seem inconsistent, make sure the camera is clean and recalibrate. Close and reopen the app, restart the phone if necessary, and retry in better lighting. This usually resolves tracking or accuracy issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.